this one is for one bag. This one is for the oily combination, normal or even sensitive skin. It smells exactly pineapple. Small chocolate, limited edition eyeshadow. Has that beautiful color. I never tried this before. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So we're doing a July monthly subscription from Ipsy. I do have a big box next to me because this one came in like later this month, July. It was supposed to come in like I think in the beginning or mid-July, but it did come like late this month. So this one is only for July and I'm really excited to show you guys each item of this. I did open the box already because I was kinda surprised how it's a big box, but I haven't checked what inside the box, so let's start it to see what have inside. Let's check this little bag. It looks like there's a lot inside in here. When I was checking my July order, actually I did requested more in skincare because I do love skincare. I like to have more option is because I have a very sensitive skin. So this one is for one bag. So the first one is this hand cream. It's an avocado hand cream. I like checking see if there's a scent in there because I am very picky or very sensitive on the scent. I really don't like the really strong scent. So but anyway, we do have that hand cream in there. And then next one, it is face moisturizer, and this one is for the oily combination, normal or even sensitive skin, which is perfect for me because my skin, like I said earlier, my skin is sensitive. This one is pineapple bright gel cream. It smells exactly pineapple, guys. This one is the face moisturizer, which is really nice. The next one is the rose gold radiant booster serums. I've seen this brand all the time in Instagram, and so I know this one is actually really good. I never tried this before, so I don't know if it would work on my skin, but they have a good ingredient and it's good for sensitive skin. And the next one, it is Cool as Cucumber Primers. I am out with face primer. I use that all the time when I do my makeup. 70% of my face primer is out, so I have all this one. Only thing I have left is the one from Lancome, which is I just purchased this one last month, so this is what I'm using right now. And I actually never tried this product. I also did research for this one and they do have a good face primer. Hopefully works really well. This one is the vitamin E for your lips. It's just clear and doesn't scent anything. And this is the eyeshadow. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, wow. I love this. Look. So this is the color. This is a really nice if you're going travel and have that really nice magnet right here. So that's super cute. And the next bag we're opening is, looks like there's two items. Cleansing face wipes. I do use a lot of cleansing face wipe because when I do clean up my makeup at the end of the day or in the evening, I use this one before I use a scrub. And sometimes when I do travel, I actually have only wipes with me. It's because it's so easy to just clean up your face with this wipes. This is what I use for everyday wipes for my face. So the next items is a body wash. I do have this, I think long time ago, I'm not really sure, but I still have it because I haven't used it yet. This one is actually really nice. It does smell really good. They're very fruity. That is this little bag, and I have only two items in there. The third bag is body lotion. It looks like it's a citrus. It's the same company with this one. It's very light scent, so that's perfect. Next one is the hand cream. That's the same company for that one. It's very light scent as well too. But I think I like the first one, avocado one, is because it doesn't have any scent. The fourth bag is this. This one is in the plastic, and that one. This is two different makeup Wow, this is nice. This is the blush and this is the contour. This is a really nice. I love the color too. And this one, the highlight. So you have the light one over here and you have the color over here. It's a really nice highlight, guys. This is the brush. Oh my god, look how soft. I don't think I have a brush like this. This is a really soft one. It's from Complex Couture. So let's check this out. Now I'm curious. This one, it is for your highlight and blush, and this one is like for like powder or something. It's so soft. This is nice. And this is for your foundation because of the shape for it, and this one is for your concealer. It's like that one. I wanted to check their website, see if they have like small brushes for this one because brushes are so soft. Let's check this last bag. This is from Tarte. It's a Jelly Glaze lip mask. It does have color inside, like a brown one. Smell chocolate. Smell really good. The next one is the liquid eyeliner. It's really light. That's nice. And it's vegan. And then this one is the eyeshadow. Limited edition eyeshadow. Has that beautiful color. Oh, look at that. It's really blue. I don't think I have that color. I love this color, like the shimmer color. This one. That's really cool. The last item, this is blush shade and highlight. It's vegan. I like that color, guys. They are really pretty. I like that. There you go, guys. I do have a lot for the July one. That's really exciting. It's because I didn't expect it that it's gonna be like this much. So I guess the waiting, it's worth it. I was kind of like worried about it because it's almost the end of the month and I haven't received my July subscription. So now I did and I feel really happy about it. It's because there's so much and there are really good product as well too. Especially it's my favorite one in here that I receive it is this brush. It's because I have never had this type of brush and they're really soft. So now I'm really curious about the rest of the brush that they have it on their website. Of course, their set of highlight and contour and a blush for this one. But there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, leave me a comment below and I will try my best to answer that. So I'll see you guys again for my next video. Bye.